Hello everyone, welcome back to Story on Java. In today's video, we will be exploring the Stream API. So basically, what is the Stream API? Stream API it is a powerful tool. It is introduced in Java 8 that allows you to process the collection of data. Okay, so it provides the efficient way to handle the bulk data operations such as filtering, mapping, sorting, and collecting. Okay, so let's jump into some practical example and see how they works. Okay, so here I will create the class for that. Suppose stream one. Suppose what we are doing today. So suppose we have a list. Suppose we have a list. The type is string. We want to import it, and we are adding some element into the list. Suppose Ram. Sham. Raul. Kapil. Sanket. Okay, suppose we have a list with five element. Okay, we have a string type list with five element, and in that list we want to find the name which is started from suppose R. Okay, so if we are using traditional approach, so we want to firstly declare the array list. Okay, we are creating the one new list. Hmm, new list. Now we want to firstly traverse the whole list, so we want to use the for loop for that. So here we are using for loop. We want to get the element from the old list. So here we are traversing the list, and we are now we want to find the element which is starting from r, suppose r character. So here we want to write the if condition if the a is start with r. Okay, if it is start from r, so we want to collect them. Okay, into the new list. So new list dot add, we want to add the a into the list. So in traditional approach, we want to write the 5 to 6 line code for finding the element which is start from r, suppose. We can give any. Okay, so if we want if we use the stream API, so it is very easy to use, and it will uh, uh, write the code into the single line. Okay, so suppose we are creating the one more list for stream API. Suppose stream list. So firstly we are creating the stream of that list. After that we are just using filter method. Okay, in that we are just checking the element is start with r or not. Okay, so it is if it is starting from r, so we are collecting that element into the list. Okay, so here is a completed code into the single line. So here you can print just list, string list. Okay, so both the code will return the same output, but it takes the 5 to 6 line, but it will complete into the in only single line. So that is the advantage of the stream API. So here I also, you can print the list using traditional approach. Using traditional, I just write here using stream API. Okay, so if I run this code, it will return the same output, the RAM and route. And second, using stream API, it also return the same output, but uh, it completed into the only single line. So if we are taking the one more example, suppose we want to find the length of the character. Okay, so it is very easy to find using stream API. So how we can find, let's check it. So here we are using the map for that, for storing string as well as its length. Okay, we are creating the string of that list. After that we are collecting collectors to map, and in map what we are doing, we are just whatever element is coming, we are just returning it, and after that we are finding the length of that word. Okay, so we are calling one more method which is length. Okay, so it will return the length of that character. Here we are passing the lambda. What is happening? We want to import the map. So yes, it is working fine. So now here we can print it. So we can use the for each loop for that. Here we are printing the result. So here what we have done, so we have just creating the stream of that list. After that we are collecting the element okay, according to length. Okay, so what we are storing into the map, firstly we are just whatever element is coming, we are storing into the key, but after that we are calling the one more method, that is length, which is from string. So we are just checking the length of that string, and we are storing into the value. Okay, so now I am running the program. Now here you can see it. Okay, the first element is round, its length is 5. Okay, the second element is Kapil, its length also is 5. The third element is Sham, the length is 4. The second last element is Sanket, the length of that word is 6, and the last one is Ram, the element length is 3. So you can see the here you can easily check the length of the word from the list, okay, using stream API. That is the power of stream API. Okay, so stream API having the two main operation, that is first one is intermediate and second which is terminal. So the filter, suppose like filter, map, sorted, distinct, limit, this these are the intermediate operation, and the terminal operation like collect, okay, collect, count, okay, reduce, forage, these are the terminal operation. We will see that all method in upcoming next videos. Okay, thank you.